Hi, this is the Fairphone 4 and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So first open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge application. And now we should get this app, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AD option, that's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So now tap the open button, click to draw over apps and tap to Muviz Edge. Click to the switcher and go back. Tap here to AD section and select one from the available tabs and click to apply. Let's just check now. Let's lock the device. And we could see that the AD option successfully enabled. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.